To do a time-lapse video in WeVideo, what you can do is manipulate the zoom feature. So right here where I'm pointing, we have this zoom in and zoom out feature of the timeline. What I recommend doing is zooming in the timeline as much as you can. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to manipulate your images. So these are images from that stop motion video that we just watched. So you can see that they're just stills at this point. But by manipulating them to show very quickly, you'll be able to make a stop motion video. So to make the image appear for a short period of time, you'll click on the image and then click and drag the right-hand side. I'm going to repeat doing that for all of my different images. If I click and drag in the middle, I'll be able to move it. And then again, click and drag the right-hand side to be able to shorten the amount of time that it plays. You'll notice that you have to manipulate the zoom in and zoom out feature quite a bit, just because I happen to have my other images right here. So I'm just going to zoom way out so that I can see. And you'll notice now that I can click and drag to move these three images so that they're closer to the others. And then again, zoom in as I need to. So from here, again, I'm just going to go ahead and play each of these images for a very short amount of time. And then from here, what I'll do is I'll demonstrate what this looks like as a finished product. So if we just click and drag our blue playhead and then hit play, you'll see now that it looks more like an animation. So I happen to only have a few right here, but you can see cytokinesis, it starts to move. And then from here, you have the option to add audio. So if you click on audio and then there's free music, you have some different options. To add the audio in, you'll click and drag it into the audio 1 section of the timeline. Then you'll click where you want to crop it. Let's say this was the end of my video. I would click right there. And then I would click on the scissors to crop and then click on the remainder of the song and click the trash can. So now if I were to play, I have video that looks like it's in a motion, even though it's just stop motion, and I have some audio as well in the background.